Hello everyone, this is Act the Travel Man, and this is a tour of room 10228 here on board the Celebrity Beyond. Room 10228 is an Aqua Class stateroom here on board the ship, which means that you get exclusive access to the Blu Restaurant and the thermal suites inside the spa. So we'll start here with the bathroom, which is immediately upon entering to the left. And this is an Aqua Class stateroom, as I mentioned. So the shower does have the rainfall shower head. It also has a nozzle where you can have the water shoot out from the sides here. There's also a handheld device there for water. Other than that, the bathroom is typical of all the other Infinite Veranda staterooms, and I think also the interior and ocean view staterooms as well. One cool feature about this room, because it is Aqua Class, the window is heated. It is an anti-fog mechanism, but it's nice because if you keep the light on with the door closed in the bathroom, it will heat the bathroom a little bit. But there is plenty of shelving here, shelves above. There are spaces below for you to store things, of course your towels and things like that. There is an outlet here if you need it for hair dryers and things like that. Then there is a pull-out, which does include a hair dryer, and then there are additional toilet paper and tissues in here in this drawer as well, and more storage down below. So leaving the bathroom, we'll enter the room itself. There is a king bed here in this room, and this is actually made up of two full beds, which are joined, so there is a seam down the middle. Very comfortable bedding here on the Celebrity Beyond and here in the Aqua Class staterooms. On the left side of the bed, you have a phone, but on the side of the phone, there is a USB port. So if you're sleeping on the side of the bed, you will have a USB port where you can plug up your phone or other devices. There's also a light here that you can switch on and off with a button. Here is the closet right beside the bed with plenty of space in here. There's also drawers in here. There is a safe in here. You make up your own code for this safe and can use it throughout the cruise. And opening this door, since it is Aqua Class spa stateroom, it does come with a robe for you to use throughout the cruise, as well as some slippers, which are down there. Coming over here in this shelf, you are going to find a tote bag that is actually a gift to you. You can take this home with you. And also in here, there's a pair of binoculars. You cannot take these home with you. These are just for your use throughout the cruise. There's also a shoe shine back here, a laundry bag if you're getting laundry services, and an umbrella, a couple of umbrellas actually, for you to use throughout the course of the cruise. These are provided complimentary by the cruise line. Again, just for your use during the cruise. Right here outside the bathroom, this is important. Of course, your lights for the hallway here, or for the bathroom, and there's the one for the hallway. But this is your temperature and light control for the entire room. So you can see you can adjust the thermostat to whatever temperature you would like. You can also use this to turn the lights in the room on and off. You see I'll do that now. Turning the lights off, turning the lights on. You can also control the blinds here. You can see the shade will start to come down over there. We're going to stop it and send it back up. There's also different modes of lighting here. You can see morning, movie, evening, and sleep. And the blinds actually do respond to the different light modes as well. It's not just the lights. It's also, if you put it in sleep mode, the blinds are going to come down. So keep that in mind. But this is pretty cool. You can also use the Celebrity app on your phone to have all these same controls in the app version. So that's really cool. So when you get in bed at night, you just take your phone, open the app, and you can close the blinds, cut off all the lights. That way you don't have to cut them off here and then get in bed with it completely dark in the room. So we'll continue past the bed now. And one thing I will say about the staterooms on board the Infinite Veranda, you can have the configuration that I have here where the bed is directly beside the bathroom, or you can have the bed by the window. And then in that case, the couch would actually be here and the bed would be there. So these two would essentially be swapped. So on the right side of the bed, we do have light controls over here in addition to an outlet. There's two USB ports here and there's a lamp just like there was over on the other side. So this is nice. I like to keep my phone plugged up to this one while I'm asleep. And then as I mentioned, there is a sofa here across from here. There is a little pull-out desk. You can push this desk in. If So pull the chair out. You see it does slide all the way in. So you then have a full-length mirror that you can use. But most of the time I keep this just pulled out, and I like to keep my papers and things like that on it. Then over here you have your drawers. You have this mini bar area here. This is where any correspondence from the cruise line that they leave in your room, this is where it's going to be left. I have Aqua Class, which means they do water service each day. I get 2 bottles of water brought to my room. Of course, here you have the standard power box and the different outlets. I'll show you those. There are 2 standard American outlets in here. There's also a European outlet. There's also a couple of USB ports as well. And then here is a light that controls the light to the vanity full-length mirror. And perhaps the best part of the room, this is the Infinite Veranda area. And they have upgraded the seating on board the Celebrity Beyond. These are different seats compared to what were on the Edge and Apex. These are very comfortable. There's also a small table here in all the rooms. And then of course, you have the Infinite Veranda where you can move the window up and down using this control. If you want to move it down, you have to stand here with your finger on the button the entire time. Same thing if you want to move it up, just hold it down until it's completely locked into place up there at the top. And today we reported in Santa Margherita, Italy. It's a beautiful day, and this is a beautiful stateroom. So that's a full look at stateroom 10228 here on board the Celebrity Beyond. For more Celebrity Beyond content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.